Hi friends, welcome to Yoga Coaching. In this video, I am going to give an overview about Scaling Agile. This is the first video in the Scaled Agile series. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about future videos on Scaled Agile concepts. Now let's get into the agenda. This video will cover the following topics: Agile at team level, Agile at enterprise level, challenges in Scaling Agile, frameworks available in the market to support the Scaling Agile. Let's understand what is Agile at the team level. In other words, team level Agile. As you are aware, Agile teams will be smaller in size. Usually, the recommended team size is from 5 to 9 members. Agile teams will be self-organized and cross-functional. Scrum or Kanban framework will be used to drive the agility at the team level. Team will deliver product in short iteration that's called sprints. One Scrum team will work on a single product and they will have one product backlog. This is called Agile at team level. Team will work on a single product. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's understand what is Agile at enterprise level. Agile at enterprise level is called Scaling Agile or Scaled Agile. Agile at enterprise level is required if we need to deliver a product with big scope or the product has so many epics for the implementation. If you like to know what is epic, feature, user story, please watch the video posted in the home page of this channel. In enterprise level Agile, multiple teams will be working on a single or multiple products. Consider 100 team members are working in a single product and we will split the 100 people into 12 Scrum teams. Each team will have around 8 to 9 members in it. All the Scrum teams will coordinate and interact regularly to deliver the product. The outcome delivered by all teams will be called as program. Enterprise level Agile is called Scaling Agile. At the first level is program level Agile. In the enterprise level Agile, small teams will use Scrum or Kanban based delivery. Each team will deliver the product backlog. The combination of all the teams' backlog will be managed as the program backlog. This is called Scaling Agile. Hope you understand what is Scaling Agile now. Please post your questions or comments about this topic. I will respond to your queries if you need more information. Now let's understand the challenges in the Scaling Agile. Organizations will face many challenges in implementing Agile at enterprise level. Let's understand few major challenges faced in scaling Agile in the enterprise. The first challenge in scaling Agile is managing multiple teams working in a single product. In the scaling Agile environment, multiple teams will be working on a single product, sometimes on multiple products. Doing the sprint planning for the multiple teams, managing the multiple product backlog, managing risk for multiple teams at the same level is a major challenge in the scaling Agile. The second challenge in the scaling Agile is managing the teams that are working from different geographical locations. To build the enterprise level product, it's very difficult to have the entire team in the same location. In most of the cases, teams will be distributed across the location or geography. Teams located in various locations will be using different infrastructure, systems and tools. Coordinating the work of all the teams across the location will be another challenge in the scaling Agile environment. The third major challenge in scaling Agile is to integrate the work done by the multiple Scrum teams of the product. As we will have a multiple teams working across locations, frequency of integration of the work and delivering the product to the end customers is another challenge in the scaling agile environment. Integrated demo and release management will be a challenge in scaling agile. The fourth major challenge in scaling agile is managing dependency of the multiple Scrum teams that are working in a single product or multiple products. Effective communication between the teams, dependency tracking, meeting coordination for all the teams that are located in different time zones will be a bigger problem for the scaled agile environment. To solve all these issues, some frameworks are available in the market with defined roles, events, process, etc. It will be easy for the organization to move into enterprise level agility by using the standard frameworks available in the industry. Now let us see some popular scaling agile framework available in the industry. Companies are using various types of scaling agile framework based on the work type, budget, infrastructure need, training needs, easy to use the capability, etc. From the recent State of Agile survey report, I like to highlight top 6 scaled agile framework used by many organizations across the industry. Most popular framework is SAFe, that's called Scaled Agile Framework. SAFe framework has the well-defined roles, events, process, and metrics to define enterprise-level agile transformation or product delivery. SAFe has well-defined courses for Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team, DevOps, Architects, and Leaders. If you like to know more about SAFe, please contact us in jogocoaching@gmail.com. We will conduct trainings on SAFe. The second popular framework used in the industry for the scaling agile is Scrum of Scrum. Scrum of Scrum is the lightweight framework to enable the scaling agile with multiple Scrum teams. The third popular framework used by the companies is LESS, Large Scale Scrum. The fourth popular framework is Nexus. The fifth one is DAD, that's Disciplined Agile Delivery. The sixth popular framework as per the survey is custom frameworks. Custom frameworks are defined by the companies based on their needs, cost, project type, training needs, and their limitations. These are all the popular scaled agile frameworks used by the companies in various industries. Hope this video is useful to you. Please click the like button and leave your comments or questions below. I will respond to your comments and questions. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about new videos on Scaled Agile framework. Thank you.